everybody, welcome. This is a little demo recording of the Apeman Mini Cam, and we are going to be driving around so that you can see the quality of the video and the audio of this little mini cam. Now, my friend Pumi, he says he just loves the little size of it. What do you think?
You know, I have the bigger Apeman, and this is much less obtrusive on your windshield.
Right.
It's very nice.
Right, so that you don't get distracted by, what do you call it?
By just this thing hanging on your windshield.
Exactly. So it's actually right behind your rearview mirror, and it's out of the way. So it is a nice sunny day in Los Angeles, California. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon. It's very, very sunny, so you should have really good, clear visibility. If you see any dots or dust, it's because of the windshield. It's not because of anything.
Oh yeah, blame it on me.
It's not because of any type of...
Not because of the Apeman, it's because of Pumi's car. Thank you.
So yeah, we're not talking extraordinarily loud, so you can see how the sound is, the audio quality.
Oh, and keep in mind that our windows are open too, so you might hear some outside noise.
Yes. And we're going to be heading over to a restaurant to get something to eat. So if you're wondering where we're going, and that's what we are doing. So comment below in the comment box and let us know what you think of the quality and what type of dash cam you have, if you have one, and we'd love to hear about it.
So you'll just edit from like the gap, right?
Yeah.
Good, I can talk.
Yes, you can talk.
You know what? When I was supposed to be all like this, you know, and I'm like, wait a second, they can't see me.
And here's the Scientology at the valley.
There's a valley Scientology?
Yes, huge.
Oh my God, Tom Cruise must be in there right now.